Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with project number 2 and this is for Beebeecraft. So these are some of the items that I received on this order and wow. So anyways, I got a lot of beads this time and I was like, oh my goodness. So I had ideas and then, you know, yeah. Things happen. So anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I've ended up creating. So everything that I have here should be on the description below, as well as some of the other items that I use that are also from Beebeecraft. So do check out the description so you guys can check it out. And here we go. So let me go ahead and show you. So these are little beads, and these are really small. You guys could see compare to these, which is a little bigger, and the sizes will be on the description below. See how small the difference between these are. So there you go. So these are small, and then I also got these flat rhinestone kind of beads, and these are cute. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see? So there's a bunch of colors in here. There's about 8 colors, different colors. I will leave my unboxing video on the description below so you guys can also check it out. And I also got these, and these, when they're in the bag, they kind of look not nice looking. So when they're out of the bag, that's when you're like, oh. So these look like candy to me. So anyways, love these. And I also got this again, and I got these pliers. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. Let me move this to the side so I can show you what I ended up creating. So what do I show you guys first? I also got these before I forget. They're here. Okay, so for these, let me just go how simple I went. I made a flower punch, or a punch. I had a flower punch, made petals or the flower, and then I went ahead and put that in there. So that's just like the basics feature to have, embellishment to have. Okay, so I want to like show you stuff, but then I just like don't want to like mess it up. Anyways, so for these, okay, here you go. Using these right here, I ended up making these right here, this little cute bracelet. There you go, as you guys can see. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So I ended up using these spacers, and these spacers are also from Beebeecraft, and I do have them here. Sorry. So I do have them here, and I will link that on the description below. And look at how cute. So I had to assemble this. And there you go. That's one bracelet. So I have 2 bracelets. Here is the second one, and this is using the beads, these 2 size beads. This is the smaller one, and this is this one right here, the little size bigger with the spacers. And here is the chain from here that I use right here. And there you go. And these are some charms I had in my stash. And look at how cute, you guys. Oh, this is the one I fell in love with. I so love this one. So there you go. Here's my project number 2. And okay, so I'm trying to like not mess it up. I mean it's like a lot in one. This one I ended up using the beads, the small beads and the medium beads, and I went ahead and made a butterfly. So I'm doing ATCs, as you guys could see, and isn't that cute? Just as cute. It's so simple and cute. And then this is where I use my flower again and put a rhinestone in here. And then this leaf right here is also from Beebeecraft. They have a 3-piece or 3 different leaf ribbon, and I used the silver one on this one. And there you go. And then on this one I also created this charm, and this charm is using these beads right here, as you guys can tell. And then I also ended up using the sea beads from Beebeecraft. So can you guys see? Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. So it's a charm for this pocket right here, and look at you guys, look at how cute. So there's a spacer right there, the C bead right there, and then I did this is a glue stopper for your glues, and then I went ahead and used the C beads, the pastel beads right here, and then the chain from here, and then I went ahead and used the dub on here, as you guys can see. And these are actually from Beebeecraft as well. So let me go ahead and show you. And there's the C beads right there, and there you go. So that's another project there. So I was actually creating. So I also made this little cute little bracelet for one of my granddaughters, and it just has the C beads here. I didn't put anything to glue them down or anything, and there's that bubble or that pastel cute bead right there, and it's just so easy and simple to make, and that I did find on a YouTube channel. So there you go, so simple and easy. And then I made this cute little pumpkin with the butterfly and using the beads right here as well. So that is it for my project share. I did want to show you guys how I ended up. These are the flat pins that I got from Beebeecraft. So these I got about 1 or 2 unboxings ago. So, and these are the seed beads I got with them too. So let me just go ahead and show you really quick how I do these. I hope this might fall over. No, it's fine. Okay, so that and this. And so I am a little lazy, and I don't want to do like the whole I'm gonna go ahead and cut it about this much right here. Sorry, you guys. So there you go, cut it off. So I'm a little lazy, and I don't want to do the technique that think buzzing would be used. So all I do is get my pliers, so you guys can see, and just turn and do turns. And that's how I do these. So much easier, so much simpler. It saves me time from having stress over how to wrap around and do it this way and do it that way. So all I do is basically wrap around, and that is it. We're done. And I also got these from Beebeecraft, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, and I will also link this on the description below. And there you go. And then you have your little charm, or your little bead for a charm. So anyways, I will link everything down on the description below. If you want to be part of a Beebeecraft program, want to go ahead and showcase their items, here on the YouTube, they have a YouTube program. Basically, all you have to do is have at least over 100 subscribers, be willing to make videos for them, showcase their items. I will link that program down on the description below. You email them, let them know you're interested, and they will get back to you. And I will link everything down on the description below. They do have a coupon code for me. Basically, you get $5 off any $40 purchase, and basically also they do have a free shipping if you buy anything over $25. Awesome items. I can't complain much about their items. Love it all. And again, thank you Beebeecraft for allowing me to showcase your items. These are amazing products. I love using all of these in different ways, and I'm trying to come up with different ways and not the same things to showcase as other crafters. So thank you again for taking this opportunity with me and allowing me to showcase your items. Anyways, thank you everybody again for following along and watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.